Okay. You share your testimony about your allergy.
Okay. I suffer psoriasis for many years. I had used a lot of supplements and medicine. Anyway, I'm having my biologic injection every 3 months. But since I was taking this Diva, April 28 until now, I'm supposed to have biologic injection every 3 months, but this is now my 6th month. I haven't taken because I was very ill. I had MCL and I had flu, and I'm not allowed to have the biologic injection. But instead of taking the injection, I was taking this 2 times a day, but now I'm only taking once a day. But I noticed my skin has cleared up and no eruption from my psoriasis, which I thank so much from God, especially Lynn. She's the channel of blessings of this Diva Secret Stem Cell, and I cannot help not to share so that we can help more people.
Amen. Thank you, T. God bless us always. Okay.